Dreaming of waking up to wide open spaces and fresh mountain air on land you can call your own? At Mountains West Ranches, we make that dream a reality. From rolling hills to peaceful valleys, our properties offer the perfect escape from the city. Whether you're looking for outdoor adventures or a place to build your future, we have the ideal piece of land for you. At Mountains West Ranches, owning land is simple and accessible, with no credit checks, easy in-house financing, and a friendly team to guide you every step of the way. Breathe in the freedom of your own land. It's more than a purchase. It's a legacy for your family and a personal retreat you'll cherish for a lifetime. Ready to make it yours? Visit mountainswestranches.com to learn more and schedule your personal land tour today. Your dream piece of land awaits you.